Hi, this is the ZTE Blade A72s, and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with X icon changer app on this device. So first we should get the X icon changer app from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store app and in the search pool enter the X icon changer. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app. On here you'll see all of the available applications, which icons you could change. For example, let's tap to the contacts one. Just if you want to rename it, click here to this edit icon. Here you will see the library with different folders with the icons. You could use them or to use photo from your device gallery or to take a picture right now in camera app. So for example, let's select one from the available icons, tap on the right upper corner to OK. Now we should wait a couple of seconds to skip the ads, the videos. Tap to the 6 icon. So click here at the home screen. Now we could go to next to change the next icon, but the same way I'll go to desktop directly. So that is the new contacts icon. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.